you doing, girl?
Oh, you know, I'm just gonna go skydiving.
Oh, just going skydiving, no big deal.
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Whose idea was this?
I think it was his idea, actually.
This guy?
Yeah.
We're blaming this on you?
We're having an affair.
Alright, cool. God bless you guys. Alright, well this is our ride right here. What do you think?
It looks a little rickety.
Oh, rickety.
To be honest.
Oh yeah? Well, we're going to jump out of it. It's all good. We have parachutes on.
Alright.
You excited about this?
My child, yeah, for sure.
Right. Anyone you want to give a shout out to before we get
My
on?
little cash money. I love you, baby.
Alright. Let's have some fun up there. Nice job, girl. Congratulations on your first
That was so fun.
Good job, yeah.
Yeah, see
wonderful
him
news.
down there. What?
We have a good parachute. Look at that.
Where?
Ooh, it's up above us.
Oh my gosh, it is!
Pretty cool, huh?
I'm coming.
Good job, girl.
Good job.
Did you have fun?
Yes, that was amazing.
Would you try it again?
Oh, of course. I want to do it right now.
Oh,
I don't have enough money.
Yeah. Thanks for jumping here at Phoenix Area Skydiving.
Thanks. Woo!